There. Welcome to Justin's house. Get away from me. The Penske truck. Front yard. Sorry about the seasickness there. Nice front porch. With an Aidenmobile. And a nice warm welcome. People trying to get away from the camera.
We called it Project Aiden, didn't we?
Operation Aiden.
Operation Aiden. Yeah, our whole vacation was called Operation Aiden. If you went on his computer now in his notebook,
Oops.
Operation Aiden, it has all the miles.
Golf clubs. Aiden Intelligence Building Machine.
Are you recording too?
Uh-huh. If not, this would be very strange. He's got a big screen TV here. This is Aiden's room. There he is there on the floor. Aiden is out with Mom right now, though. Spare room. Uh-oh. I think I'm already on 2 minutes here. Spacious kitchen. People again. Ooh, I'm spinning way too fast. And master bedroom. Bathroom. Are you ready for your speeches?
No.
No.
You can turn it off now.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless you want to show the backyard.
Oh, yeah.
It's over to you.
And really cool deck.
You should post the video on Facebook of your house.
With backyard and Joseph City High School in the back. Goodbye.